This is the card we're going to be making today. Isn't it pretty? I screwed up. I turned my cardstock around. So it's not supposed to, it's supposed to be like this. So the next one will be like that. I had it right, and somehow when I was gluing it down, I must have turned it around. I don't know what I did. But hey, life goes on. I use the Peace on Earth stamp set, and I use those dies right there for the stars. But I use Heartfelt Prayers. I really like this stamp set with the words. So many nice words. This is for a friend that has just been diagnosed with cancer, and it doesn't sound good. But anyways, I used this right here for the trees. I cut it at 6 inches so that I got the whole strip, and then I will cut it down and place it where I want it. This one, I literally basically cut out the middle because I accidentally cut it too small. When I was die cutting it, my die moved down, and so I got it so that there's very little down here. But on the one that I'm going to do today, it's there. So yeah, so I just cut this and placed it together, and there isn't much in the center. I just wrecked that. I will fix it afterwards. This is a quick and easy card. There's not much to do with it. It's all basically paper or die cuts. I stamp the one thing and that's it. And the beautiful envelope. See, I have it all, had that right. I honestly don't know what I did. But anyways, it will work out. Oh, and then I took this one and I used the other side, and it's going to be in the background in the back. So I have a lot of this paper, and I figured why not use it up with doing that. So I am going to put this down and decide where I want it. I think I want it like that. So I will glue this with my silicone mat because that just makes sense. Yeah, the pink is on that side. If I just take this, it will be so much easier. And I'm going to start in a little ways. You too can cut it in half if you want to make it easier, and then just attach it later if you want. It's just, I don't think it's that hard to do it this way. You might want to make this a little bit longer just in case, and then you can cut the extra off if you don't want it on there once it's die cut. Just put it down there. It makes it easier. It's flopping around because I'm touching it, and it's just flopping around, and I can't see so easily with it flopping around, which is crazy. I am going to okay, so I am going to see if I can move it up just a tad. But I want it to not bad. So I am just going to take my scissors and turn it over. And this one here. There we go. Just like, I had to rub it down. There. Now I am going to do my heartfelt prayers, and I'm embossing it in white embossing powder. So I'm turning my heat tool on so it heats up, and it doesn't take long at all to heat up. My embossing buddy, gotta get everything out so I don't screw things up. Put that aside. And somewhere's in there. There we go. I am just going to close this up because it's an accident waiting to happen with me. So now I'm just going to aim it off the page, and look how fast it heats up. Just needs that extra time in turned on, and look at how that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the font. Absolutely love this font. It's just beautiful. Oh, I don't want to lose those. Oh, I hope I didn't lose one. Put everything in so cautiously, then I take it apart like a fool. I get anxious to start and not thinking. Now I'm bringing this back in, and I am going to push it down. Ah, there they are. Oh, I have all three. Well, what'd I do with... It's right there, honestly. Now I am putting this where there's dark, so that they just pop. So where it's darkest, which is right there, make sure it's straight up and down, there. That was really attached now, wasn't it? Oh, some days. And this one is going to go here because I want to, stagger them. So how's everybody today? I hope you're doing good. My cough continues. I'm not feeling bad. Like, I don't feel bad at all. It just, I don't have a lot of voice at times, which probably my husband is happy about. But yeah. Oops. I asked my daughter last night if she could cut my hair. The bangs are just, they're just getting in my way. I have a lot of hair at the top of my head. And as soon as it gets heavy, like long, it gets heavy and it just drags down in my face. And yeah, it's always in the way then. It's like, yeah, I don't like that. So I thought before I have surgery, I will get her to cut it and I will feel a lot better while I'm recuperating without hair in my face. I don't mind a little bit of a wispy bang, but I don't like heavy on my forehead. Drives me nuts. There we go. That goes down. Like I said, this is a quick and easy card. Didn't the purple in the background look nice? I thought, what color can I put back here that just gives it a little bit of a pop? Since there's not that much decoration on the front, the designer series paper is doing all the work, so I'm just doing a little bit. Why don't I do a little bit more on the inside so that it just has a little kind of a pick-me-up. It's a beautiful side that I'm putting down. But it's also a beautiful side that's showing too. Although you probably can't see very much of it because it's all hidden, but it's actually very pretty the way it's designed, light and darks, ombre effect. There we go. And now we're going to bring this, and I am going to glue my envelope, not my strip of paper, because it's so much easier to glue the envelope, because I will be cutting off some of the paper, and this way I don't get glue all over my hands. Which is a really, really good thing, because I tend to do glue on my hands a lot. So I want to pull this down so there's a white edge, because it's got a fold there. So if I just have a little bit of the white edge, then I know it's glued down. So I am just going to cut this off. If you could like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful. It helps me grow my channel, and I do need that. If you like my videos, maybe somebody else would. So, liking just lets YouTube know that this is a video that needs to get out to more people. Let me know in the comments if you like this card. I think it's just stunning. The DSP is just spectacular. If you don't have this DSP, you need to get it. Like, that's the one. Opposite side. That one, opposite side. Aren't these just stunning? Like, really gorgeous. I did a card with that one already, but yeah, they're just beautiful. Thanks so much for being here. I truly appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend it with me. Thanks. Bye now.